friends, good evening. Today I got silver play button from YouTube because of your love and support. Let's come unboxing YouTube gift silver play button. So this is letter from YouTube. You have just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100 people subscribe to your channel. So congratulations, and we are rooting for your congratulations. Yours sincerely, Susan. See your YouTube. And this is congratulations on your subscriber milestone. Your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packed with great care by Rick. If your award was damaged during shipping or if you have any questions, please contact YouTube Creator Society Awards.com. And finally, this is my silver play button. Finally, this is my Zara Mehendi silver play button for passing 100k subscribers. And finally, this is what I got from YouTube. Thanks to YouTube, my viewers and subscribers. Keep supporting us, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Zara Mehendi Art. Once again, thanks to all and have a great day. Bye bye.